Shri Bhagwati presents filling machine. A filling machine is a mechanical device used to dispense a specific quantity of a product, such as a liquid, powder, granules, or paste, into containers, bottles, or packaging materials. Filling machines are commonly used in various industries, including food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, chemicals, and more. These machines help automate the packaging process, improve efficiency, and ensure accuracy in filling containers. Filling machines come in a variety of sizes and capacities, ranging from small tabletop machines for low-volume production to high-speed, fully automated systems for large-scale manufacturing. The choice of filling machine depends on the type of product, production volume, and industry-specific requirements. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.